Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can analyze the example project called It's Alive. So you're going to open up this project. There's a link below this video. And you're going to click on the Jordan sprite. And then you're going to read through each one of the functions that's here, look at the code, and try and figure out what's going to happen based on what you see right here and what you see for the name of the function. Another thing you can do when analyzing this is you can actually look at the costumes to try and think through what's going to happen when it runs the different costumes with the different names on here. There are 48 different costumes in here, so there's a lot. Now, when you're going through this, you can actually preview each one of these functions by going, okay, when it sets up, that's going to happen. And then when you run, it's going to do this thing. What's going to happen when it watches? Oh, it does that. But what about kick? So whatever function you click on, it actually will run through the code so you can get a preview of it. Then when you'd like to, you're going to press the green flag and you'll see what the It's Alive project will do. So open up this project in the link below. Check out the Jordan sprite and look at the different functions in here to figure out what's going on and how this project works. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.